I've got some almonds soaking. They've got another hour. I want these really nice and thick, so I'm going to make some almond milk. And I'm about to blitz some Himalayan salt into like salt granules. Best thing ever is that I do it myself. I don't have to buy it. I buy these in like, I think 11 kilo tubs, and I just blitz it myself. I only make enough for this little thing because that's what I put my salt in. And the way I measure it is I literally just fill it up to the top with salt and then blitz it, and it's exactly the same amount. So it's really easy. I don't have to store it anywhere else. It is right next to the stove. It's what I use. Best thing ever. Of course, Sienna saw the blender and she thought it was a smoothie, so now I have to make her a smoothie. Can you press this button for Mama? Press it harder, harder. Press, press, press. Oh, good girl. Is that finished?
Yeah.
Okay. Easy access. This is why I love my beverage station. Everything's within reach. This is the smoothie station. Everything's here for smoothies. No need to go anywhere else.